Hi everyone, my name is Adam and I'm the branch manager at the Gwinnett County Public Library's Lawrenceville branch.
And I'm Lucy, the social work intern at the Lawrenceville branch.
During the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, access to resources has become more and more crucial to the safety and well-being of everyone in the community.
And as a library, we strive to provide access to the information you need in order to take care of yourself and your family.
So join us as we introduce you to a few of our local organizations who are working to better our community throughout the global pandemic.
We will hear from resources across all categories, from food insecurity, housing, healthcare, and more. We hope that you find the resources you have been looking for, and please be sure to check the description box on this video for the direct contact information for each of these organizations.
With that, let's get started.
Hi everybody, my name is Matt Davis and I am the Community Outreach Director for Obria Medical Clinics Gwinnett. At Obria Medical Clinics Gwinnett, we provide a unique set of services for our county. We provide prenatal care, medical pregnancy testing, pregnancy ultrasound, well woman care, STD, STI testing and treatment for men and women, and well woman visits. Our mission is to empower our community to make healthy decisions regarding their reproductive health, their family, and their sexual integrity by providing medical services, foundational education, and material services to men, women, youth, and families. At Obria, we do things a little bit different. It's the fun thing about being a nonprofit. With our prenatal care program, what this allows us to do is provide prenatal care at very low to even no cost for anybody that qualifies. How we do that is we provide our would-be patients with just a financial request for services, because we know that not everybody that gets pregnant has insurance. Sometimes they're homeless, sometimes they're that working poor, sometimes they're undocumented. What we care about most is people. It does not matter what their status is, as we would say in a legal sense or whatever else. What matters to us is that it's somebody who needs our services. And when that person shows up, we want to give them the best care possible. How that looks is we bring them in and we love on them right from the start. We started a model of love well and we move up from there. Just imagine being an undocumented mother and everybody that you've known for the entire time you've been here that maybe is also undocumented. They go throughout their entire pregnancy without prenatal care because they're so afraid that if they show up somewhere, they're going to get reported and then deported. That's not how we do it here. We're HIPAA compliant. In fact, we're overly HIPAA compliant. We make sure that all of your information stays as safe as possible. And then we give you full prenatal care. Like I said, it can even be at no cost. That's one of the things that we strive to do, is to make sure that all moms have that chance to have a healthy baby, because every baby deserves a healthy story. We're located in Lawrenceville, really close to downtown Lawrenceville on Old Norcross Road. We serve anybody and everybody. We serve anybody in Gwinnett County that needs to come to us. Even if you don't live in Gwinnett, you can still come see us. We've had people from out of the country who have landed here and been a little bit stuck. And hey, we're here for them as well. Like I said, our prenatal care can be no cost if need be. We do a request for financial services, as I spoke about, just to kind of assess where you are. If you can pay a little bit, we know that tends to help people too. Not everybody wants stuff for free, but some people do like the opportunity to say, hey, I'm contributing to my own care. With our STD and STI testing and treatment for men and women, that's the lowest cost anywhere in Gwinnett County. With our well woman care, that's also a very low cost. We strive to be the premier medical provider for women, especially women in Gwinnett County, because we want all of the women here in Gwinnett or anywhere else that needs to come see us to have a chance to get good medical care at a place that will love them and care for them no matter what their situation is. Another thing that we do is something we call our Thrive program. That's our education piece. What that means is that if somebody is pregnant and they're coming in, they can join our Thrive program, which gives them the opportunity to earn brand new baby clothes, diapers, wipes, a brand new car seat. We have all types of stuff that we love to be able to give away as they do these classes. That's a no-cost program. It's just another way that we can love people and love them well. What that allows us to do is to tell them that the community around them loves them and cares for them and cares for their children. We're not just that place that says, hey, you're pregnant, good luck, go on your way. We're a place that provides them with everything that they need in a fully holistic model. What that means is if there's a service that our patient needs, but we don't provide it, we make sure that we know who in the community does. That's part of that loving well model. We make sure that our patients have access to all of the wonderful programs that are here in Gwinnett County, like the Gwinnett County Public Library. It's been fun pointing people who might not have a high school diploma or maybe you're looking to get a GED to some of the free stuff that the library offers. Let me tell you, here at Obria, we love the Gwinnett County Public Library System, and it's an honor to be part of this virtual fair. Again, my name is Matt Davis. I'm the Community Outreach Director for Obria Medical Clinics Gwinnett. Please come see us. Thanks.
Good afternoon. My name is Tim Turner. I am founder, CEO, Chief Encouragement Officer of Satisfeed. We feed people physically, financially, socially, emotionally, spiritually, and relationally. But we start with food because we know your hunger interferes with your healing. We started distribution in September of 2018, and we serve 35 people and about 635 pounds of food. The Saturday before Thanksgiving in 2020, we served 714 families and 38,000 pounds of food. We are located at the intersection of Peachtree Industrial Boulevard and Pleasant Hill Road. We are directly behind the Park retirement home, and we are diagonally across the street from New Life Academy of Excellence and just down the road from Notre Dame Academy. We serve anyone. As long as they present themselves, we will feed them. And that procedure is pretty simple, actually. It's just like a dual drive-through at Chick-fil-A. The first Saturday of the pandemic, back in March, the cars lined the parking lot and stretched out to Peachtree Industrial Boulevard and even spilled out onto Peachtree Industrial Boulevard. The police were not happy with me, but we worked it out. And that first Saturday, we went through 19 refrigerators and freezers full of food. And at the end of the day, which was just 3 hours, from 9 a.m. to noon, we were empty. There was not one speck of food left in the refrigerators and freezers. And because the Atlanta Community Food Bank was closed because they were moving to their new facility, we were unable to get food for the following Saturday. So we were closed. We serve a range of ages from 6 weeks old to 70 and 80 years old. In fact, the month of December of 2020, we served 200 seniors. In January 21, we served 2,029 seniors. So we're just scratching our head, going, how is this possible? What have we done to raise the awareness that we have the food available? And to this point, we don't know what we've done to raise the awareness. We just know that the seniors are presenting themselves. We serve on Saturdays from 9 a.m. to noon. If you have not been served before, then we go through a very, very, very simple registration process. Your name, your address, your phone number, email if you have it, and the number of adults 18 and over, and the number of children 17 and under. That's all we ask. And then we give you a card, a barcoded card, so that we now are able to process you in a more efficient way. My heart is first to feed people. But we go beyond that in establishing collaborations. For instance, I picked up a book bag full of bookmarks from the Gwinnett County Public Library, and I distribute them every week to all the cars that drive by. We had a health fair in the parking lot back in October in collaboration with Good Samaritan. And we continue to distribute information that's of interest and value to our guests and our clients. I can't do it by myself. And so my heart is to establish collaborations that make it easier for us to provide additional services that are of value to our guests. I'm Tim Turner, founder and chief executive officer, chief encouragement officer of Satisfeed.
My name is Carol Love. I am the executive director for Family Promise of Gwinnett County. The mission of Family Promise of Gwinnett is to mobilize communities and congregations to help end homelessness one family at a time. And the way that we do this is utilizing a network of churches, and they help take care of our families when they come through the program. We serve children and their families who are experiencing homelessness in Gwinnett County. So if you are a family with a child 18 and under, you're able to be in our program. We offer a 30 to 90 day program where you have intense case management. We help you get a job if you don't have a job. We help with budgeting. One of the biggest components is savings. And we also pair people up to get tutoring and trainings in different aspects as life skills, parenting, as well as financial courses. And we're starting to add this wonderful program called Keys to Good Tenancy, where it teaches the families that we serve how to be good tenants in the community, as well as what their rights are as a tenant in their home. We're actually starting a new program for eviction prevention, and we will walk alongside a family, helping them with some moderate financial assistance for 5 to 6 months, and helping them with budgeting and case management and keeping them in their home. Eviction prevention, the program is called The Future Begins at Home. And so we know that people are more successful when they're staying in their homes. And we want to be able to help the children have a safe place to stay, but also in seeing our mission, providing them the skill set to be sustainable as well. Family Promise of Gwinnett is located in Lawrenceville, Georgia. We serve the entire community of Gwinnett. Our services have no fees when you enter our 30 to 90 day program. And our 30 to 90 day program is currently on hold while we are renovating a home to be utilized as the first shelter in the city of Lawrenceville. So when COVID-19 hit, we traditionally housed our families in different houses of worship during the week, and they would rotate from week to week to a different church. But when the government mandated for the church buildings to shut down, we found ourselves displaced. And so we ended up focusing on how can we change our model so that we're able to always be able to serve the community out there. And we partnered with a local church and are renting a house on their property for $1 a month. And we hope to have this house renovated by June 1st and be able to start housing people in our 30 to 90 day program. We are really excited about the next steps for Family Promise. When we open Promise Haven, there's going to be a lot of opportunities for the community to come and serve. It's amazing to see the community coming together right now in order to get the facility up and running. The miracles that have taken place just to get the house rezoned as a shelter was hard work, and just the city council of the city of Lawrenceville, just them being behind the organization is encouraging. And we know that they want to see a change in the community and that they actually care for the community as a whole. And so I love being here as the executive director, being able to see our mission of mobilizing the community actually take place, because it's great to see people coming from the construction industry, people coming from the churches, people coming from the government, and then all over the place, different businesses coming together in order to help us serve the families that are in need.
Hi, my name is Tom Balog, and I'm the Executive Director of the Lawrenceville Cooperative Ministry. The co-op is a community food bank that has been in service since 1995. We're a Christian organization providing food for people in need in Lawrenceville and Decula. You don't have to be a Christian to receive food here. We're just answering God's call to love and help our neighbors. We consider what we do a stabilizing ministry. It's hard to concentrate on other things when your family is hungry. So in providing food, we take away that concern, and the money saved can be used towards other needs. We are so blessed to be able to serve not only non-perishable canned and dry goods, but also fresh meats, produce, and dairy products. We are also blessed to be in partnership with other agencies that can provide help in other areas. And we try to direct our clients to the specific partners that can help them based on their needs. With the help of these partners, we can have a more holistic approach in helping clients preserve their dignity and move towards a state of self-sufficiency. Now, the co-op is located at 52 Gwinnett Drive in Lawrenceville, right next to Lawrenceville Elementary School, and just down the hill from Central Gwinnett High School. We are open for clients for Monday evenings from 5 to 7 p.m., and on Wednesdays and Fridays from 9 a.m. till noon. Anyone who comes for assistance must bring a picture ID and a piece of mail that's dated within the last 30 days of the current date that has their name and shows their Lawrenceville and Decula address. We also ask that the first-time visitors show a picture ID of any other adults they have in their family and bring some kind of identification for any children. And this could include a birth certificate, a passport, school ID, report card, insurance card, or something similar. The biggest thing to know is that asking for help is a sign of strength and not weakness. If we're all honest with ourselves, we've all had a time in our lives when we needed to lean on someone around us for help. And that's why we exist. We do what we do because of what's been done for us. Our goal is to serve with Christian love while treating our clients with dignity and walking beside them on a path towards self-responsibility. If you are in need of food, please come see us. We would be blessed to serve you.
Thank you so much to all of the organizations who participate in this program. Again, please check the description box below for any information you might need regarding these agencies.
These resources are not the only COVID relief activists in our community. At GCPL, we have weekly food distributions at several of our branches. Please check the website at gwinnettpl.org for more information.
We also have 2 social work interns at both the Lawrenceville and Norcross branches. If you are interested in meeting with a social work intern virtually, please use the Book a Librarian function on our website or call our customer contact center at 770-978-5154.
If you're still in need of service, we have a list of our community resource partners on our website. Scroll over the Find It tab and select the GCPL Guides option to learn more.
We understand the pandemic has had a massive impact on everyone in our community in one way or another. The library is here for you, to connect you to the resources you need.